Thank you very much for coming out on such a beautiful day. You know, spring is here, weather is beautiful. Today we're here to talk about bathroom renovation. What it takes to do the bathroom renovation, where to start, and how to do it properly. I have a couple questions I will be covering today. First one will be, how do I plan my bathroom remodeling project? Okay. As I go, if you have any question, please stop me, take a mic, and feel free to ask any questions you have. So, bathroom, one of the main room in a house. It's bathroom and a kitchen. So bathroom, where do I start? How do I plan my renovation? What do I need? So the best thing to do is probably to go to Instagram, Pinterest, House, and put together inspiration folder for the contractor of your choice, for yourself to understand what style you like, what exactly you're trying to do. Then the next step would be to understand your budget, of course. Bathrooms can be very expensive or can be budget friendly, so you need to understand how much you would like to spend. Then the features of your bathroom. What would you like to have there? Bathtub, walk-in shower, single bowl vanity, double vanity, extra storage, and so on and so forth. It's unlimited design options there. And the next step would be to probably hire your contractor, choose your contractor. How do I choose my contractor? Go online, read the reviews, choose 2 or 3 contractors of your choice who you wanted to work with, right? To see what they did before. And then if you choose a contractor that can do full service, like design drawings, 3D renderings before they start the project, that's great. If not, then most likely you would have to hire a designer to design your bathroom. That's very important, especially now through the COVID. We had lots of challenges with supply chain. And if you don't have your design finished and everything put together, it's hard to choose your finishing materials and understand what you need in terms of plumbing fixtures, tile, and cabinetry. And sometimes people start the project without doing the design preparation work, and then they're stuck in the middle because they didn't order something, or they didn't select something, or it went out of stock. So those are the steps I would recommend to take to start planning your remodeling.